Today I'm making a video showing you how to replace the headlight switch on a Boxster. This one's a 2001 Boxster. Same job basically for a lot of the 911s too, the 996s. First thing you want to do is these two screws on the side, these little Torx fasteners, take those out. It's a T15, so get those out of there. With those two screws out of there, the next thing you want to do is pull this switch outwards. See if I can do this with one hand to show you. It's kind of a two-handed thing. Pull the switch out, and then underneath this you can see there's a tiny little metal tab kind of towards the plastic back of it. You push in on that little plastic tab with a small screwdriver or a punch when you have it out, and then this knob just pops right out of there. So I'll show you better in a minute here once I get it out of there. There it is, that little piece of metal. Just push up on that with a little punch or a screwdriver, and then this whole thing just pops straight out. So once that's out of the way, there's another little Torx fastener inside this hole here, right there, same size, T15. Get that out. With those three screws out and that little thing off, you can take this whole thing and just kind of carefully pull it outwards. It comes out with the vent. Be a big connector hanging from the back of this, but you can get it out far enough where you can access it right here. And then this connector, this black section of the connector, just pulls straight out. So if you have a little plastic trim tool, that works well, or you can just grab it and pull it straight out to disconnect it. And then this little pigtail here, this connector, you have to also unplug that. Just pull that straight out. Here's the whole unit together with the vent. All you have to do is use I think a 24 millimeter or a 15/16 is the size I have in my hand here to undo this nut. So I'm going to unscrew that. All right, now with that nut off there, you can take this and pull up on this, pull it out a little bit like this. This thing is just loose, so you just pull out. And then in the back here, you turn this clockwise like that, and then this pulls straight out, and here's your switch. So that's it. To reinstall it, you're going to put it in the same way, turn it counterclockwise, turn it this way to lock it into place, and then slide this back down onto it, put the nut on, and reverse procedure. So thank you.